Okay, today I'm going to be putting some hood supports on 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser. These are getting kind of sloppy, starting to fall down once in a while. If you're like me and you've ever been whacked in the head by one of these things or any other hood, it's not worth the price of time it takes to replace these guys. So basically we're going to pop this ring right off of here, that's going to fall off of here. Same thing on the bottom. Thing's going to come right off and you're going to snap the new one on. All right, so there we go. Today I'm going to be replacing the stock hood struts, actually, with these new strong arm gas supports that I got from Rock Auto. First thing you're going to do is pop these clips. This screwdriver is just a little big, but it's got a fine point and a wide tip, and it's old and I'm used to it, so I kind of can predict what it's going to do. Whoops, it's okay. Throw that in our box. Okay, now I am going to put that support under there just in case for some reason it doesn't hold this up. At least I've got something under here. So because the current supports are kind of weak and I don't want it falling on my head, I had a little leftover conduit in my garage, so that's going to hold up the hood. I would highly recommend this because when you take one of these out, if both of them are already weak, it's going to fall on your head. Now I should be able to pop the second retaining clip off the same way. Since I'm holding the phone, I may lose this one. If you're doing it yourself, you can probably hang on to both. I get it to stick on the screwdriver here. Well, nope. I'll get it out of there. Okay. So far, so good. So I'm just going to wipe this off a little bit, retake the last one, pull it down. This is coming off now. It's kind of hard to hold it on there. I'm going to put one back. I'll put the new one. Bottom off, they're not bad. Just a little gritty, it's sandy here in the desert. Okay, I'm gonna grab our new strong arm shock. And again, the holes are lined up the same direction, but mine are opposing here. Just gonna snap the bottom on. Turn it a little bit, raise it up. Those are installed. Okay, now that those new hood supports are installed, let's see if it does the same thing it did before. Remember, I just saw that before. I just reach up there and grab that, and this thing would drop, even if I pulled it an inch towards me. But you know what? I'm just going to keep pulling. There's a lot of resistance on that. I'm going to pull it all the way down. I'm going to keep going. Right about now, it might start to snap shut. I'm not sure, but what happens if I just... Beautiful. Just beautiful. And it's probably one of the nicest things you can do for your FJ in half an hour or less.